Another day, another story. Developmental psychology is a branch of psychology that studies how humans develop and change throughout their lives, from birth to old age. It is concerned with the biological, cognitive, and socio-emotional changes that occur during different stages of development. The study of developmental psychology is important for a number of reasons. For one, understanding how individuals develop can provide insight into the factors that shape behavior, personality, and mental health. It can also help to identify risk factors and protective factors that contribute to healthy development. One of the most important theories in developmental psychology is Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Piaget proposed that children go through 4 stages of cognitive development, each with its own unique characteristics and challenges. These stages are the sensorimotor stage, preoperational stage, concrete operational stage, and formal operational stage. During the sensorimotor stage, which lasts from birth to around 2 years old, children explore their world through their senses and actions. They develop object permanence and learn to coordinate their movements. In the preoperational stage, which lasts from around 2 to 7 years old, children develop language and begin to use symbols to represent objects and events. They still struggle with logic and conservation. During the concrete operational stage, which lasts from around 7 to 12 years old, children begin to understand logic and conservation. They can perform mental operations, but only with concrete objects. Finally, during the formal operational stage, which lasts from around 12 years old and beyond, people develop the ability to think abstractly and hypothetically. They can reason about hypothetical situations and understand complex ideas. Another important theory in developmental psychology is Erikson's theory of psychosocial development. Erikson proposed that people go through 8 stages of psychosocial development, each with its own unique challenge to overcome. These stages are trust versus mistrust, autonomy versus shame and doubt, initiative versus guilt, industry versus inferiority, identity versus role confusion, intimacy versus isolation, generativity versus stagnation, and integrity versus despair. During each stage, individuals must resolve a particular conflict in order to move on to the next stage. For example, during the trust versus mistrust stage, which occurs during the first year of life, infants learn whether or not they can trust the people around them. During the identity versus role confusion stage, which occurs during adolescence, teenagers explore their sense of self. Overall, the study of developmental psychology helps us understand how people change and grow throughout their lives. By studying these theories and stages, we can gain insight into the human experience and identify ways to promote healthy development and prevent negative outcomes. Developmental psychology is concerned with the study of the physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional changes that occur across the lifespan. Researchers in this field seek to understand how these changes occur, why they occur, and what factors contribute to healthy development. Physical development refers to changes in the body and brain, such as growth and development of the brain, motor skills, and sensory abilities. For example, infants typically begin to sit up, crawl, and walk during their first year of life, while adolescents experience rapid growth spurts and changes in body composition. Cognitive development refers to changes in the way individuals think, reason, and process information. Researchers in this field are interested in understanding how cognitive abilities develop across the lifespan, as well as how experiences and environment can affect cognitive development. Socio-emotional development refers to changes in the way individuals relate to others, regulate their emotions, and develop their sense of self. Researchers in this field are interested in understanding how social experiences and relationships shape socio-emotional development, as well as how emotional regulation and attachment affect overall well-being. In addition to Piaget's and Erikson's theories, there are many other theories in developmental psychology that seek to explain how and why humans develop across the lifespan. Some of these theories include Vygotsky's theory of sociocultural development, which emphasizes the role of social interaction and culture in cognitive development, and Bowlby's theory of attachment, which highlights the importance of early experiences with caregivers in shaping socio-emotional development. Researchers in developmental psychology use a variety of methods to study development, including longitudinal studies, which follow individuals over time, and cross-sectional studies, which compare different age groups at the same point in time. They also use observational and experimental methods to investigate the ways in which experiences and environment can affect development. Overall, the study of developmental psychology is an important area of research that has many practical applications. It can help parents, educators, and healthcare professionals better understand how to promote healthy development and prevent negative outcomes. It can also inform policies and programs aimed at improving the lives of individuals across the lifespan. Thanks for watching.